Good morning, everybody. It's Dr. Ray back in the garden. It's a lovely day. The birds are singing. It's overcast, but not so bad. And I want to show you a couple things in the garden that I haven't shown a whole lot of yet. And I'm in love, as you know, with Barrenwort or Epimedium. Here's a bunch right here. There's a little native azalea going through it. This is sulfurium. And you can see the small yellow flowers with a really cool red margin leaves. That's just an easy one. It really is the sulfurium type. And let me take you over here a little bit, past a few poppies and some daffodils, to another spectacular epimedium that's making a wonderful, wonderful appearance. This is Sweetheart. This is Epimedium rubrum, for obvious reasons. Red flowers and red margin leaves. And this is just gorgeous. And it's going to fill out in the garden here very, very nicely. So there's another little bit of the Armitage garden. Come on and see me. Life is good when you can get your fingernails dirty. Okay, take care.